Watch ya. I'm gonna beat this right now. Nice island of Jamaica. Look on good food.
Let's see.
Two in there.
Wow, look at that, guys.
This one not
That
good.
one's moldy, but...
Ooh. And look here, sir. Oh no, that's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look.
Ackee.
Proper firm Ackee. How much of this in my bag?
We've got loads.
Super Ackee. One other one bites you again?
You good?
Probably get a dozen.
Probably, yeah. Huh? Yeah, we can sell these. Oh, she loves Ackee. So do I.
Wait, you love ants?
No, Ackee.
Yeah. So, just one survive. No, damn, how many brought the people them stick?
No, they need us to pick the fruit.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's good to know. Damn, and stop no, man. Man, it hurt your wings.
No.
Oh, hold on. It's so much faster.
Up where? Oosh. That one wasn't open yet there. Oh, that one what? Oh, that one's perfect. Look at it.
3 Ackee in a pod.
Yes, untouched.
Look there. This is what you call authentic Jamaican living.
We've got a breadfruit tree.
Can I leave that, please?
Wow. That's pretty.
Almighty.
Wow, what a blessing.
I think this is enough now.
That's more than enough, I think.
Mommy.
Yes, you can get. Of course, you can grab it back. Not that one. This one here.
Which one?
That one.
Them green one, yeah?
Yeah, man. What about this orange one here? No, really? We can't catch. We can't record on whole bag and catch. Ah.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's too long upon that little while.
Yeah, you can reach that, man. I don't think that's on anyone's cars either.
Can't reach.
Shiza. That is such a shame.
So these are all of the Ackee we get off of the tree. And these 3 are from one different type of Ackee tree. You see them kind of look different. But now we're going to take off the eye, which is this, is the eye of the Ackee. We're going to twist him off, and then we're going to clean out inside. So all of this inside will look black. If anything in there, we're going to clean out. Let me show you one. Right. This, you see this? This is a little piece in the Ackee. You have to take that out because you don't want nothing in your Ackee. Yeah, so we squeeze them out. We don't want to mash up the Ackee either. And then we take them out and wash them. You twist the Ackee seed, so.
Oh.
And then you open it and look. And then these little pieces, I don't like them in my Ackee for a time, so I just cut these out. Or you can scrape out the middle if anything in there. And then you just put them in your pan. And then there. You see this, this one I have no, the seed liquor. Just cut off, yes, sir. Yeah. And drop them in there. Same with this. And drop them in there. But I may take out these ones, because I don't like how them feel. The other one, this one, I don't like how it feels, so. But yep. Just cut off this. They feel hard. It's already in it.
Isn't it? Are you sure it's not the pot?
No, but it's already in there. This can turn on.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Food ready as well. Yeah. Twist. Feel clean. It's over there. The only thing we don't like when we pick Ackee, we have to clean it. But it's alright. And you don't really want to mash up the Ackee seed there. Take out that bit. And that bit. You don't want to mash up the Ackee when you do it. When you're cooking now, it's like a plucker.
What to do with the seeds?
So just dash you see them, right?
Yeah,
If you want to plant them, plant them. No, really, Ackee kind of, it's Ackee poisonous.
Oh.
But I know that when them, as what we say, when they pot them no open, the gas in there, you know, leak outside poison. But we don't really play with the Ackee seed.
You just call people Ackee seed.
Yeah, just. But we don't really, it's not a thing where we play with, we just cook it Ackee and yummy. And that's where the seed them. But if we could have planted them, we carry them go England and plant them.
I don't think it was far in England.
Nah, I'm gonna have to have a big old ass greenhouse. It's all tall Ackee tree. You have to have a big greenhouse there. Enough Ackee this now?
Yeah, I know.
We now got even if we don't have so much.
You have to freeze some of that.
Yeah. And carry with me wherever we are go freezing. Right, me come back when me done. See the amount of Ackee we just get from the tree and appearing out the door now. Just the blessings, just the blessings. Yo, this place can't hungry. Almighty God, I feel so good. Oh, I need to take off that one day. You see him? I need to clean him up. But yeah, highly bless everyone. This is your girl Nix. Pot a boil, pot a boil. So I gotta add the Ackee them now. Yep. I'm gonna make them cook for a while. Yep. Make them cook for around 5 minutes and stuff. Ackee, I'll cook. I can strain him now. Oh, see, Ackee, I'll cook you now. Ackee cook. So we're gonna cool him down and put him in our fridge. And then this will be tomorrow breakfast. Ackee and saltfish for tomorrow breakfast. Soak saltfish last night. Now I'm gonna throw away the water. And then I am going to actually boil the saltfish now, okay? So I cut up all of the herbs and spices to do the saltfish. And home, I love the taste of Scotch bonnet. I put one whole of Scotch bonnet in there. Jamaican Scotch bonnet flavor some. There's no other taste that have to include. So now the saltfish cook, pick and clean and flake out and ready if you start, you know, the process of the Ackee and saltfish. I'm gonna add some oil in here, so, and this is sunflower oil I'm using. Then I'm gonna use some coconut oil. So at the end, almost at the end of the cooking, I'm gonna use some coconut oil. I'm just gonna grab everything and start, you know, saute things down and cook and just get into the hang of preparing the food. So you just watch and see. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you know how to cook, you know how to season your pot. So I use garlic powder. I use a little bit of seasoning, you know, my little mix up. And then I use a little bit of salt as well. Just a tiny bit, because sometimes you soak and then you cook the saltfish and then it kind of get fresh out. So just add a little bit back a flavor and sodium back to the thing. No, taste it first. If you don't need it, don't put it in. Simple. But anyways, we are going to make the saute and then we are going to add the saltfish to it. This is my favorite part. And if you're wondering who taught me to cook, it was my mom and also my dad. They are, well, my mom was, she's passed, an excellent cook. And my dad, this is his survival skills. So he did the afi cook, he did afi know to cook. So I learned it from him. I'm going to tell you the truth, I never take no more image of the Ackee and saltfish. But we had to carry the Ackee and saltfish from one house to the other in Kingston, and it was in the refrigerator. You want to see how the oil at the bottom of the Ackee and saltfish, how it look orangey, reddish. Oh my goodness, it bring me right back home. I don't really eat Ackee and saltfish, but I love to cook it because the Ackee kind of trouble my stomach. But me love to really cook it. And now I just add the Ackee to the saltfish and, you know, salting and mix it up. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it on to cook for another half an hour. So I'm gonna put it down on slow. So half an hour to probably 40 minutes. I'll leave it to cook. So in total it'll cook in 45 minutes. So 5 minutes like the day before, cool down, put it in the fridge, and then the next day it'll do like a 40 minutes cook. And you just leave it to cook on its own for a little while, and it not go dry out or nothing. And yeah, there you have it. Good old, you know, Jamaican traditional ackee and saltfish. So yeah, and then I go fry some fish, and this a fish I feel later on. Yeah, my belly well big, and my belly love Jamaican food. Deja, somebody pick up all of the mango them off of the tree. None no left. This is my Kingston dinner. Earlier, Deja had ackee and saltfish. And yesterday I had ital with some green banana. Now me I have fried snapper with hard food. Granddad say hard food. Not ground provision, you know. Oh well. This is the ackee off of the tree. Me and my dad pick ackee. And this is the ackee off of the tree. My girl have dinner. My lord.